Hi, this is Christy with WTI, and today I want to talk to you about my iPhone 12 mini. I love this phone so much. So I felt like every time I go to upgrade my phone, every other year, they were getting bigger and bigger, and they were just kind of cumbersome to carry around in my purse. It was getting to the point where they barely fit in my back pocket, and this one fits perfectly in my pocket, which I absolutely love. I also love that I can reach the entire keyboard with my thumb. I can text with one hand again. I don't have to use two hands. I love that. So it's just so much more comfortable to carry around. And what's really cool is that Apple was able to fit the same A14 Bionic processor in this as they do their largest phone. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is my husband's. So look at the size difference. But these phones have the exact same processor. That's pretty amazing. The camera is great. I'll show you a couple of the photos I took today. The first one is in portrait mode, and the second picture is my dog Moose, and that's just standard photo mode. So great quality camera. Super happy with the photos and the videos that I get with the camera on this phone. And I just love that it is lighter, smaller, more compact. So if you're like me and you tend to like the smaller phone, this is definitely the one for you. That's my point of view.